everyone, I am Vidisha and she is my little sister Riya. So today we will tell you how to make a best out of waste peacock craft. Peacock is the national bird of our nation India and is also the most beautiful bird. So for making it, we'll use wasted things like we throw pista shells away after using the pista. Yes, Riya? Yes. And we will use a wasted sheet. You can even use a newspaper for this work. We will also use scissors, paint, brush, glue and a palette. So let's start. First, we are going to roll this sheet up. Now for the step of folding the sheet, you can even use a pencil. Like putting the pencil inside here and just folding it slowly. So now I have finished almost the folding part, but I will now glue the left up of my part. Now I have folded the whole thing and we are going to start folding from another side like that, and we are going to fold till the back of the peacock is made. Now I am folding the second side because the back side is made. So now I have made a circle shape and I am going to cut it. Now I am coloring the circle in green color. So now the peacock body shape is done and I am going to cover it with crumpled foil paper. Just hold it and press the whole peacock body like this. Now I am sticking tissue on the paper and I am applying some glue. After sticking the tissue paper onto our peacock, it will look 3D. Now our peacock shape is ready. So let's start with the second step. This is the empty left out space of the cello tape and I am going to use it to make a stand for our peacock. Now let's see if it can stand. Wow, it is standing properly. Now I am sticking the pista shells on our peacock.